Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an HMV license in Odisha. First, understand the eligibility criteria and gather all necessary documents. Next, complete the application form accurately and submit it. Finally, prepare for and pass the driving test to successfully obtain your heavy motor vehicle license. This guide will walk you through each essential step. To begin, you must be at least 20 years old to apply for an HMV license in Odisha. It's also crucial to have held a valid light motor vehicle license for at least 1 year. You'll need to provide clear proof of your address and identity. Additionally, ensure you have a completed medical certificate, specifically Form 1A, and a training certificate, Form 5, ready for submission. These are foundational requirements. The application process is primarily online. Start by visiting the official Parivahan Seva website and select Odisha as your state. Carefully fill out the online application form with all your details. Next, you'll need to upload scanned copies of all your required documents. Finally, securely pay the necessary application fee online to complete this stage of your application. It's a straightforward process. Once your application is processed, you'll schedule your driving test appointment online. On the test day, attend with a suitable heavy motor vehicle. You'll need to demonstrate your proficiency in driving and your knowledge of traffic rules. Upon successfully passing this test, your heavy motor vehicle license will be issued and sent to your registered address. Congratulations, you'll be ready to drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.